Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Colorbook Man, and today we have an interesting toy. We have the PreBox, it's like PreBox Excavator. Comes with a 12-channel remote control excavator. So let's take a look. What's in the box? Pretty big. Say with remote controls with batteries. Alright, let me get the box out the way. Let's open the package. Okay, that was easy. Alright, that looks pretty good, right? So, where do we put the battery at? I see that it's already on. One way to find out. With remote control. Now, I didn't notice there's no instruction manual. So we shall see. Let me tear this open. Looks like some kind of control. 2 batteries. Now, where would this battery go? Wait, I think I see something. So I may need a screwdriver. Let's see. Yeah, I think I need a screwdriver, which is not included. Alright, looks like I was able to find a screwdriver. And I think we have a compartment up here for our battery. Let's take a look here. Okay, that comes off. Okay, that pops out. Looks like this connector for the battery here. It's a little tricky. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. It looks like this is the battery charger where you could recharge via USB. So that's pretty cool. So let's get this connected. I see there's 2 connectors going this way. Alright. So we got that in. Let's see the best way to get that slide in. Perfect. Perfect. At this point, I don't think I want to re-screw it in if it's going to be charging frequently. Okay. And now I have to do the same thing for the remote control. Let's pop that open. Now this one I definitely will screw back in at a later time. Now this is taking 2 AA batteries. Let me grab some batteries. Okay, it looks like I was able to grab some batteries. So I wish they would tell you that in the box, or maybe I didn't read the box correctly. So 2 AA batteries. And let's seal this off. Looks like we have a spare battery for the excavator. We could keep charged. Let's see if this works. Oh wait, there's an on and off. Okay, so there's a button to turn the volume sound off. Interesting. Okay. So we'll go back and forth. Now how to turn around. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. So now let's get some dirt so we can play with. Let me get that set up for you. Alright, so I was able to find some soil. And let's give this a try. Okay, let's continue. Alright, let's get the excavator set up. Let's get the dirt. Alright, it looks like we want to bring it down. Okay. How do I get the handle up there? Interesting. This is on and off for the remote. Okay. Yeah. Let's try that again. So grabbing on soil. Okay, it moves it a little bit. Let's grab some more. Let's move it over here. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big chunk. Oh yeah, let's get dirty. Yeah, this will be messy. So you guys, you may want to play this outside. Let me bring the hand back up. And I think that's pretty cool. Let's try one more time. Let's get a big chunk here. All right, there you goes. There you guys have it. Thanks for watching. This is Clever Man. See you later.